Hello and welcome everyone to another StageDesigner tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about how to send DMX values from the playlist in StageDesigner. To activate DMX, first I would go to Settings, Input and Output, DMX and ArtNet. And here, if I'm using an I/O device like NTech USB Pro, I can activate it here. The software needs a restart. Once I restart the software, the connection should be made and I would be ready to adjust my playlist. And if I'm using, for example, ArtNet or CITP, I can adjust them here. That is a topic for another tutorial, how to use ArtNet and CITP. But once I made my adjustments and I'm ready to use my playlist to send DMX, I can go to the position that I need to use my DMX value or send my DMX value. I can right click on the cue that I would use as DMX. I would go to the input and output and select DMX command. Down here, I would get two settings. The first one is for the channel and the second one for the value. So depending on what channel of the DMX you want to send the value, you can adjust it here either with mouse or double clicking on the value and then typing in the channel or the value that you want. And here I can adjust the DMX value that I would like to send. So let's say I have a lamp which is connected to the channel 10 and I want to turn it on, and by programming my playlist like this, I can send this value through the NTech USB Pro and the device is going to read it and turn the lamp on. Or if I want to turn it off, I can simply bring down to 0, or I can copy the cue that I made and I can paste it somewhere else. And once I'm gonna turn it full on, and on the second one I'm gonna turn it off. So once I play these two commands, the software is going to send those commands out to my DMX console or DMX Lite or any other DMX device that I have, and it will execute those commands on that device. And that is how easy it is to use or send DMX values from the playlist in StageDesigner. There are no limitations on how many DMX values you can send. You can basically put DMX commands next to each other as much as you want and on every of these cues as you go about programming your playlist. I hope you're enjoying using the software and hope to see you in another tutorial.